Hello, my name is Odile Faludi. I'm a starting customer conversation specialist. It's a modern twist on cold calling. Each week I've been giving away a tip and just been having the best time doing it, and I hope you're enjoying it. This week's myth that I want to uncover is the one that says that gatekeepers are your foes. In actual fact, the gatekeepers, who are the PAs, the receptionists, they are your greatest ally. They are your way of getting to your prospect, so you need to treat them like gold. Think of that person, they've got quite a dilemma. They don't know if you're a pesty salesperson or you're someone who's going to add value to the business, who their boss would love to hear from. They have to juggle in their mind which one is this person, because their job is to be the gatekeeper. Therefore, as a wonderful communicator, when you pick up the phone to call them, you have to be an authoritarian. You have to be knowledgeable. You have to smile. You have to use your winning personality to unlock that gate. So if you'd like to find out more tips, feel free to follow me on LinkedIn or on Twitter @Odile Faludi.